What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. This is kind of an emergency review. Well, not really an emergency, but Costco closes at 8:30. Well, the gas station closes at 8:30, so I need to get to the gas station. And my car is all the way on E right now, and I'm going to use this Gumout Octane booster. I had this for a little while now. I got it for a different car, but we didn't need it, so I got it. Well, I still have it around, and we're going to use it for the Journey. The main complaints for the Journey is one of the main complaints for the Journey, well, the Journey and the Dodge Avenger, is engine knocking sounds, right? So right here, we are going to see if this will stop the knocking from the engine, all right? So it knocks, yes, it knocks, you guys, but it is what it is. Don't know if y'all can hear it. So we're gonna see if we're gonna take that sound out of here. So I'll be right back and I'll let y'all know if it went away or not. All right, you guys, I'm about to fill it up. I just put the stuff in there. We are at the E, or we are on E, sorry, 379 gallons. Well, it's 379 miles. This car is amazing. All right, you guys, so we're filling it up right now. We are on E, the light came on. We are at Costco. I love filling up my gas at Costco at nighttime. Nighttime or early morning. If you try to go to Costco at I don't know, let's say 4 p.m., you're not getting gas. All right, so we're gonna fill it up. I'll let y'all know if there's any knocking or anything going on. So yeah. All right, you guys, so I'm doing my final review of the Gumout. All right, I did this 2 times already, and I still have engine knocking sound. So I'm just going to be honest. If you're getting this to stop the knocking of your engine, forget about it. Don't waste your money. Y'all let me know if it's just Dodge Avenger and Journeys with this engine that does the knocking sound. Y'all let me know. But yeah, if you bought this because you want to stop engine knocking, forget about it. My engine still knocks. So that will be all, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.